In this video, I'll show you how to create a parallax animation effect for your photos in Premiere Pro. Click your clip in the timeline. Navigate to Effect Controls and increase the photo scale to 130%. Now duplicate your clip by holding the Alt key while clicking and dragging it to the track above. With the top clip selected, go to Effect Controls and choose the Pen tool under the Opacity section. Draw an outline around the subject you want to isolate, connecting your final point to the starting point to complete the mask. Adjust the mask feather setting to 70 and increase mask expansion to 20. Activate the scale keyframe by clicking the stopwatch icon. Move your timeline playhead to the end of the clip and change the scale value to 150%. Now return to the beginning of your timeline and select the bottom clip. In Effect Controls, enable keyframing for scale. Move to the end of this clip and reduce the scale value to 100%.